Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Honor X7d. Alright, but before we open up our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings and let's make sure that we are logged in into the proper Google account. So basically we need to be logged in into the same Google account on which we made the backup before, because if you will be logged in into other account, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply open up the settings, scroll all the way down until you find the Google, and in here make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now, if you are logged in, you can open up your WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us notifications. And also I would say that this video is for people who already have their backup created. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video and when I'm showing you how to do it. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, now we need to type our phone number and we also need to verify it. After that, we have two methods. We can use the code from the SMS message or use the missed call function. And I always pick the second one because, in my opinion, it works much better. So now simply type your phone number, then click on next, click on yes, okay, it needs to verify, so we need to wait a little. Okay, in my case it wants to send the code, but we can always click on... Oh, actually it was pretty fast this time. Alright, verified. Everything is good. Now click on continue. Click on allow, allow, and allow all. Okay, now select restore from backup and click on continue. Now as you take a look, we are storing from the account in which I'm currently logged in my settings, so everything is fine, just like it should. 12 messages restored. Now click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo. Then click on next. If you want, you can add an email to protect your account, but it's not necessary. In my case, I'll skip it. And now as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos, photos, and normal messages, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.